If you are a Binance P2P trader like me, then you will understand that you cannot afford to use our normal conventional banks, not just because of the restriction placed on crypto trading, but most importantly because of their service charges, which will make you unprofitable in Binance P2P trading. But in this video, I'm actually going to be sharing with you my best 5 digital banks that will aid your Binance P2P trading and also make you to be profitable in your Binance P2P trading. So to get started, I'm actually going to be starting from the 5th one and then to the number 1. So the 5th one on my list is no other one than OPAY. So OPAY is actually one of the leading digital banking here in Nigeria that aids your P2P transaction. One good thing about this OPAY account is that your phone number becomes your account number when the first 0 is being removed from your phone number. Now you can see they have bunch of services that they offer to their customers, in which you can actually use it to fund your account, you can make transfer with it, you can also pay bills, and all these services are offered to their customers free of charge. You can as well make flexible savings using their platform. And then the OPAY debit card is being issued to you free of charge for the first time, and you can use it across every ATM withdrawal point, and also you can use it to make online transactions and also make repayment and withdrawal in any POS stand. Now if I head over to their app, I have their app, and you can also download their app. If you don't have it, if you have not using it already, you can go to your Play Store and get the app downloaded, or use the link in the description of this video. Now I'm on their app, and you can see for yourself the different services they offer to their customer. You can even buy jump pin using this OPAY app. And not only that, if you come to this reward section, if you click on this reward section, you can see that every single day when you log into your app, you can come to this place and claim 10 naira every single day. You can see all these ones here. I have not been claiming them because I don't even remember to come and be doing all these things. But each day you log in and come to this place and click on get 10 naira, and you get a 10 naira reward for actually using this particular app. Now if you come over to the card section here, this is where you can actually request for a free ATM card, and it will get delivered to you at the comfort of your home. Now if you don't want their physical card, you can see here that they have a physical card and they also have a visual card, so it's left for you to decide which one you want. Now you can see a lot of other services that you can earn when you are making use of this OPAY app here. You can see free application for 0 cost of ATM card. You earn flexible spending. When you spend annually, you also earn 15% interest for saving with them. And for security reasons, you can see that they are being licensed by the CBN and insured by the NDIC. So going over to the 4th one, the 4th one on my list here is no other one than GoMoney. GoMoney is another wonderful and powerful digital banking, and if you come to this place, you can actually see that they are being licensed by the CBN as well, and also being insured by the NDIC, and they are being trusted by over 500,000 persons. So meaning that over 500,000 persons are actually using this particular digital bank. Personally, I have been using them over 2 years now, and I can tell you that they are very good and reliable. One good thing again about this particular GoMoney is that they offer you 10 free transfer every single day. So once you exhaust that 10 free transfer every single day, then they will charge you a flat rate of 10 naira no matter the amount of transaction you are actually making. So this is still very good and very better than the conventional banks, who charge you about 30 something naira for each transaction that you are actually going to make. And then if you go over to the Go Money here, you can see that they have a very good and colorful debit card that you can use globally for your online transactions and payments. If you want to get their app, you can just go over to your Play Store and get their app downloaded to your phone. Now let me go over to my app and show you some of the great features that this Go Money offers to their customers. Now I am on my Go Money app. So the first thing, if you come to this upside where you have the cards here, if you come to this place and click on it, you will now go over to the card section. And the one thing about this is that they don't actually have a physical card. So their card is a virtual card which you can use for online transaction. Now, do you know one powerful thing about this Go Money that so many persons don't even know? Their card work on most of the international platforms. So you can actually use their card to make international payment. But I'm not saying that it works in all international websites, but there is some selected one that it works perfectly well, in which you can use it to make international transaction. To show you and to prove what I'm saying, you can come over to this place. If I come over to my account, you can see I use it to pay for my website, I use it to pay for hosting, and it works perfectly well. So this is to show you that it works for international payment. Now if you go over to the payment tab here, you can make money, you can send money, and you can also receive money. Their payment system doesn't delay. You receive the money instantly, and also their network is very, very stable. So the Go Money app is very, very good. I've been using them over time, and I can tell you for sure that they are reliable. So as a P2P trader who does not want to be paying additional fee for bank transaction, you can use them for receiving of payment and for making payment when you are buying cryptocurrencies on the Binance P2P session or any other exchange P2P. So the third one on my list is VFD Microfinance Bank. Now I'm on their app, and on their homepage here, you can see there is a lot of things you can do with this app, such as payment. You can make transfers, and their transfer is also free. And that is why I'm also using them. You can also make top up, which is free of charge. You can make bill payment. You can also make investments using this app, and then you can fund your account and other amazing services that you can just go ahead and explore them on your own, so that you will be able to know more about them. But personally, I don't do much with this app. I only make payment and receive payment with it, because most time as a P2P trader, I make a lot of transactions a day. So what I do is that if I use this particular one for some time, I will switch over and use this one, so that the account will not actually have a suspicious trace, and also when I must have exceeded the free transfer limit. So I don't really do much bill payment and all those stuff with this app other than receiving payment. But for the period of time I have been receiving payment with it, I can tell you that is also instant. And one good thing why I like this app is that each time they are going to have a network issue, they will notify you on time. They will give you like 2 hours ahead notification, so that you will be able to know and not make any transaction within those periods. So that is one thing I like about them. So you can just go ahead and exploit this particular app. They have a debit card as well. You can see they have a virtual debit card and also a physical debit card. But I don't have any of them. Just as I said earlier on, I don't really use this app for much things other than just to send money and receive payment as well. So going over to the second one on my list is actually KUDA Bank. And KUDA Bank is one of the most popular and leading digital banks here in Nigeria, which a lot of persons are actually using. So one good thing about the KUDA Bank is that their service is also okay. At least they offer free 25 transaction every single day, and once you exceed that 25 free transfer limit, they will charge you 10 naira flat rate, no matter how much you are actually sending. So on this place, there is a lot of things you can also do with it. And you can, if you come to pay here, you can see that you can actually use it for airtime payment, you can use it for bill payment, and also gift card payment. They have also introduced invest, where you can come and invest your money. So if you go to invest here, you click on invest, you can see that you can actually invest in foreign stocks like Facebook, Google, Amazon, using their app at a very cheap rate. Now if you go over to the card section, they also have a physical card that you can use on any ATM outlet or point of sale outlet. Personally, I have their card and I've been using it over 1 year now, and I can tell you that the service is awesome. Even when I go to purchase something and they keep declining other cards, my card hardly gets declined. So that is to tell you that their network is very strong, although sometimes they also have some network challenges, but it's an awesome app that you can use if you are not using it now. So as a P2P trader, these are apps that helps you to remain profitable as you are trading, in which you don't actually spend much money on service charges. So going over to the first on my list, which is also my best digital banking app, is no other one than PALMPAY. Yes, I said PALMPAY. A lot of you might be wondering why I choose PALMPAY over other ones. But yes, PALMPAY is very good, very reliable. Their network very strong. And also, when you register with this app, your phone number also becomes your account number. All you just need to do is to remove the first 0 on your phone number, then the rest becomes your account number. So this bank is very good. They are very reliable. Their network is strong, and once you make payment, it gets received instantly. The person receives it instantly, and when someone also send you money, you receive it instantly. So if you are not already using this PALMPAY, I will advise and encourage you to go ahead and start making use of it. They are very good and reliable. I've been using PALMPAY over 3 years now, and it has just been awesome. So you can head over to your Google Play Store and get the app downloaded. Now let me log into my app so that I can show you some of their great features and services which they render to their customers. So this is their app, and on their homepage you can see that there is a lot of things you can do with this app. That is why I love this app so much, and it is my favorite, my number one as long as digital banking is concerned. Why do I choose it over other ones? The number one reason is that as a P2P trader, I make a lot of transactions on a daily basis, and this PALMPAY offers you 100 free transactions every day. You can imagine that, and it has been awesome using this app. Now if you come over to this page, you can see other services that they render to their customers. Make transaction, you can make transfer to bank, to PALMPAY account. You can also use it for your data bundle subscription, airtime purchase, and also for those persons that also do betting. You can use it to fund your betting account. You can use it to do your electricity bill. As a matter of fact, I use this app for my electricity bill payment almost every time. Anytime I need to recharge my electricity bill, this is the app I use, and it is instantly. I'll get it subscribed once. And also for my TV subscription, the same thing is applicable. I use it often, and the service rendering has been awesome, I can tell you for sure. I have also made a video on how you can make money using this PALMPAY app. If you have not watched it, it's on the description of this video. I'm going to leave it so that you will watch it and see how you can make thousands of money using this PALMPAY app without making any investment. So you can also use them for what? For internet subscription. Now if I go over to the finance here, you can see that we have other financial services you can also use them for. Now if I go over to the reward section, this is where you get reward for a lot of things. Here you can just come to this place and keep claiming all these rewards free of charge. These are the rewards you get for actually using their services. One thing about them is that they don't have any debit card. Probably they are working on that, and in no distant time they might actually create one. But for me, I'm not worried because I'm satisfied with other debit card that I have. My most important one is that their service is very reliable, very fast and stable network, and most importantly offering me a whopping 100 free transaction every single day. That is very, very awesome that anyone can go for. So if you have not started using this PALMPAY, I can recommend them. Go on the description of this video, there is a link there. Use it to register and you will get rewarded for using that link. It's actually my referral link. Once you use it, they are going to reward you for using it to get registered on this particular platform. So these are my best 5 digital banking apps that helps me for my P2P transaction, in which I don't need to spend much money on transaction charges, and yet I remain profitable. So kindly let me know in the comment section which of the digital banking are you currently using and what have been your experience, and to you, based on your experience, which of them do you think should be the best among all? So let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to hear from you based on your experience in using all these digital banking apps. Most importantly, if you have not watched my video on how to make thousands of money trading on Binance P2P, then go ahead and click on that video showing on the screen now, so that you will watch the step-by-step guide on how you can start your P2P trading to make thousands of money.